Yeah, hey. So, what are we doing today? Have my smoothie. But this vlog is already starting off a hot mess. But hi guys, it's Taylor and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on my post notifications so that you know of whenever I upload. First off, my hair is like, you guys see? My hair is actually a mess right now because I did mantle knots last night because I thought it was going to come out cute and fire for my photos today. Haha, it didn't, and I didn't even brush them all the way out. It probably looks good from the front, but from the back, we just look like a mess. I leave for USA National Miss in less than 24 hours, and I am not prepared. We are... Let me just show you guys what I have packed so far. Literally have packed nothing. So this is about at most what I have packed. My shoes on one side, like undergarments and clothes here. These are like my clothes for the entire week, minus formal wear, just like my regular casual outfits and stuff like that. And then I have my jewelry in here. So I am so proud of myself for fitting all of this into just one suitcase. And this is not even my biggest suitcase. Like, y'all, that is not even my largest suitcase. And I have everything in there as far as clothing goes for now, I think. My second suitcase down here, this is my largest one. Let's unzip. Oh, she's already unzipped. Go me. This is my largest one. I have in here just like sleep clothing, bras, socks, and then I think I have like an extra jumpsuit. And I have my VS fashion show robe because I'm bougie. I have my beach towel, and then over here I have like my dresses. Okay, the reason why I decided to pack my clothing in one of my the reason why I decided to pack my clothing in my medium-sized suitcase is because I wanted to use my large suitcase for my formal wear because I am flying. I have never flown before a day in my life. Am I scared? Yes. Am I freaking out? Yes. Will I have a mental breakdown at the airport? Most likely. Will I make it onto my flight? I don't know. Stay tuned to the next vlog to even see if I make it on my flight. I have so much to pack. I have to go out and get some things. I'm not prepared. What do? I wait till the last minute to do everything. Why? Because that's me. Why am I talking so fast? Ignore this hanging on my wall. It's a long story. I also need to wash my makeup brushes. That's amazing, darling. We're doing amazing right now. Can't forget the crown box because Lord knows I will end up forgetting my crown and sash. I will. I already know I will. And I need to get a portable charger as well. I haven't booked my flight yet, but girl, bye, whatever. Sips tea. You know. Let me go finish up. Let me finish up stuff. My room is legit an actual mess. If I showed you guys what it looked like whatever. Hey, so it's literally, what time is it? 12:55 a.m. right now, and I just got done packing everything up. I lied because my interview dress is hanging right on my door, and I need to open the suitcase up and put that in there because if I don't have my interview dress, honey, I can't interview. Getting ready to head to the airport in an hour, actually. I'm going to be leaving out at 2:30 a.m., which is literally in an hour and a half. Don't think I'm going to sleep because what sleep? What sleep, honey? None. But yeah, I'm so excited to finally be in Disney, be in Florida with all my lovely queens. We'll have so much fun. Have so much fun for the week. I'm about to go shower so that when it's time for me to go, I can just grab my suitcases, take my photos, and I'm outie like spaghetti sauce.